up as well. But for now, we're just gonna stay in the hotel. It's pouring outside. Yeah, I just saw a stroke of lightning, and you could hear the thunder. It's already going on the streets. It's already like streaming off the streets, which I'm really scared because we are really close to the ocean. So I'm hoping it's not a hurricane. Which I'm pretty sure it's not. But
Anyway, guys, Doji's been here for the past 35 seconds. Yeah. Yep.
see,
I have a bedhead right now.
yeah, he just took off the goggles. So, and I'm actually kind of scared, guys. Like, you could hear that, and you could see, like, I don't know if you can see it, but the streets are already, like, I don't even know if that's smoke or something, but
It's not smoke, it's just wave of water.
Yeah, and it's literally going because of the wind goes in that way, and so the water's, like, whooshing that way. So, like, to the ocean. And the ocean's probably crazy, guys. The ocean is probably crazy. We were gonna go to the beach. Somebody's coming back from the beach. I'm not gonna show you guys because I don't know if they want to be on cam. But
Oh.
Wow, it's crazy out there.
look at the water
Well, we
coming
came
down.
in just
from
in
the-
time.
Yeah, but look at the water coming down from the streams.
Oh.
Just, like,
Yeah. Wind's
I'm
blowing
scared
it.
because like we're right by the beach. Like I'm not saying there is probably. It's probably not. Probably just really,
Cyphus.
but I'm like scared there's gonna be a hurricane. There's probably not. It's
Oh,
literally
look at that poor
washed.
lady. Man, keeps dropping everything. That stinks.
There. Huh?
What is it? She keeps dropping.
It's her boogie board and then it's because of how windy it is. And she's like,
poor people.
I want to go
There's
out
still
there and
people
help
coming off the
them,
beach.
but like, look at all of that. Like,
Can you imagine if we went to the beach, we'd be in this? Good thing we did not go there.
yes, like thank goodness. Oh my god. Look at that, guys. And
Wow.
you can also tell of how foggy it is. That's water. Guys, that's not fog. That's water. It's literally coming off people's houses. It's in the air. Water is in the air. I don't know if you can see
doesn't-
that, guys.
I mean,
but
water-
water's in the air.
But the thing is, water comes from the clouds. You know,
Yeah,
up.
Yeah, but it's like in the air, guys. Oh my god. I know there's always bubbles over in there, but you can't see it. Now, you look at the trees, guys. I don't know if you can see that, but the trees are literally going like.
Oh yeah, it's not completely doji, as we know from the last vlog I literally just did about like 3 hours ago. It's Dead Meme Boy 47 also. Yeah.
I'm actually like super scared, guys. Like I don't know if I should be scared, but literally look at the window. I don't know, like if you could see that, but there's drops on the
That
window.
charger.
Yeah, you can see it. Let me just move my.
That is my
That's
my
all
friend.
drops on the window.
Yeah,
If you
my
just heard that, comment down below if you just heard that. Wait, there's no comments. If you could, comment down below. If you could,
Ken,
comment down
you
below.
you can.
There's no comments anymore.
You can comment. On my phone you can.
Not on my phone or my last phone. I
Does it
can't
not allow you to
comment.
comment?
It doesn't allow me to comment.
That's because your phone has a system on it that's not that you haven't set up. You haven't set up. the
Yes,
com-
I did, and guess what? I still.
What did it say?
Oh my god, guys! There's
Oh.
literally.
Oh.
What is that?
That's all missed.
There's mist, guys.
More light in here, any light?
You want light?
Yeah, I can stop.
Let there be light. Let's see.
Oh my god, guys!
Like literally,
There's so
white.
much mist.
It is actually like white outside. I can't see the buildings back there anymore.
Yeah, I can't.
Oh.
See, I can't even see the beach.
Oh.
Oh my god, guys! Look at all that mist.
Look over here. You can barely see
Oh my
the.
god, I can't even see out the window.
Oh,
like-
finally those buildings are there back.
Yeah, but it was literally all white.
Oh, careful.
It
Don't
was
fall out the
literally-
window.
it was
That's my
literally all-
finger.
Yeah, that's my finger.
Oh, here it comes. It's
Here
coming
it comes
back.
again. It's coming back. I'm scared, guys. I'm very scared.
Wow, this.
Shoulder. Good thing we're on the top floor, right?
Well, technically, the judging on that basis, if the lightning was to actually strike the bottom, if it was to strike a certain spot, well, top floor would not be the safest bet.
Yeah, but if a hurricane comes, we want to be on the top floor.
Well, if a hurricane comes, it would probably take most of the stuff out from the top. So, if you're on the top floor,
You want to be on.
oh,
Oh!
oh my God!
Oh.
Guys! That's horrible. I can't see anything
I
out
can't
the
even
window.
see the tree over there. You can barely see the tree over
You
there.
can see that pool over there either.
You can't see the pool, yeah.
Can't see
Yeah,
that
I
truck over
can't.
there.
I can't. I barely even could see that house.
Well, people
over
are pulled
there.
over. They can't even drive. So.
Oh, sad face that looked at that before.
I feel bad for these
Look at the
people.
people at the intersection just stopped. Can't even see if it's okay to go. Wow, that's bad.
It's bad, guys. It's really
Oh, the
bad.
pool. You can see the pool again.
Yeah, you can see the pool. We're not worried about the pool. We're
But
worried
wait.
about all the mist and rain.
Oh, it's like almost overflowed too.
Yeah, it's over. Our pool's gonna overflow, guys. Our pool is gonna overflow.
I'm sure there's actually people down there right now. So
There probably is, and it's not safe to be down there
it's safe.
at all. No, it isn't.
It's indoor.
Yeah, but
It's an
still,
indoor
you can,
pool.
do you see all that glass? There's so much glass in the indoor pool. There's indoor and outdoor, but literally, it's not safe to be in either, especially the outdoor.
Well, as we can see, people can actually see again.
Yeah, people
We can see that building back there
Yeah,
again.
we can see that building, but I'm still scared because
Oh, it's
that-
coming.
It's coming.
It's coming back.
It's people are still
Oh.
stopping. It's yelling.
Here we go again.
Okay, I'm just gonna keep showing you, but literally, guys, it is horrible out there. Horrible.
I was originally gonna start playing some tic-tac-toe, but
You really think it's a good time to play tic-tac-toe? We want to be by the window watching. We don't even want to be by the window because if that glass breaks, y'all, there's gonna be a lot of water in here.
the only thing when the glass is a very low chance of breaking.
Yeah, I know.
The
but
only way it's gonna
still
break is either a thunderbolt somehow strikes it, or someone throws something very hard at it.
like rock, like a big, huge rock. Oh my God.
Even a small rock could probably break some certain glass.
Yeah, but
But
not
this is
glass.
this is two-sided, so we're fine. Oh, it's ants down here.
Ants.
Only two little lonely ants.
Just kill them.
Squish,
Oh, I feel bad
Oh.
for those ants.
squash.
Squish, squash, squish, squash.
Did you? Oh my God! The intersection is completely filled with water. Watch as the cars go through it. Yo!
Look at the window, guys.
Oh my God! The intersection.
Look at that. Look at the regular section. Like,
Again?
The intersection. Just walk.
No, not
just
again,
look at the
it's-
cars in the intersection.
Oh, wow. Oh, my God.
Oh my God! Look! Look!
God.
oh, I feel bad for that person so much. And he's cute. He's actually really cute.
What?
If you're watching this.
Oh no! It's coming back.
It's the mist is coming back.
Oh no! That guy's parking.
Holy guacamole.
Holy
Holy mistamole.
My Minecraft server cannot handle this much rain.
Excuse me. Whoa. The mist is like following the rain.
I am sorry, guys, for that burp. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Excuse me. Can
Excuse
I have
me.
some pancakes?
No. Oh my God, the intersection though.
You could hear the rain though.
I can't believe the intersection.
Look, guys. There's water flooding off. Look at the trees.
I know the tree. Look at the tree down here. This one tree down here is just
Yeah.
going completely. I think more or less a bush, really.
Yeah, but like still. It's so bad out there. I don't think we're going to be going to the pool anytime soon.
Or the beach.
Or the beach, especially the beach. The waves are probably crazy right now.
The waves are probably
I
5
bet it's
times.
insane there. I bet it's neat, but...
Insane.
yeah.
Okay, I'm taking a picture with my Polaroid of how bad this is. Like, guys, it's so bad. Like, okay, it's so bad out there.
Yeah.
Ready? Wait, I want to get to where the white part is. I have to wait until the white part comes. It's definitely cloudy out there. It's either home, cloudy, sunny, or very sunny. What one do you think it is?
Wait, what you say?
This is the things. It's either you have it in the house, you go there, in the cloud it goes there, sunny goes there, and the really sunny goes there. One.
Huh, I think it's very sunny outside.
It's very cloudy out.
It's very sunny side up.
Yeah, it's sunny side up.
Oh,
babe.
the truck! Look at the truck! Oh! I cannot imagine looking at that. Look at the freaking intersection.
How
It's
is
getting flooded with cars?
Cars.
The
It's
car-
getting flooded of cars.
Look at the cars just go through and just push.
It's so bad. Okay.
It was so bad you couldn't even see
Yeah.
out the window.
Look at the intersection though.
You
Just
couldn't-
look at the
Look at that.
intersection.
Look at that.
Intersection. I just took a picture. You couldn't even see the
It
buildings.
looks like hail, but I guess it's just big raindrops.
Yeah. Is it hail?
I don't know.
I don't think it is.
Huh.
Cars are taking
There was
damage.
nothing on the radar when I looked. Nothing.
I know, right?
And about now.
I don't know.
Are you good?
Yeah,
There you
yeah,
go.
yeah.
Whoa, whoa,
Oh
whoa.
my god. Out there we're going.
I think it's hailing, guys.
You're recording me in my towel. Can you please erase that? Go ahead.
I can't erase anything.
Seriously.
So sorry.
Oh my god, I actually think it's hailing. Cause look, watch. Boom. It just like explode. It's snowing. It's slow. I think it's, look at,
Your thought is we're going out for dinner, right, Carol? What's that? Your thought is we are going out for dinner, right? Yeah. Okay.
oh wait, we are?
Wait, we are actually
Well-
are we actually are? We actually are?
Try, I wanna drive through that intersection.
No, I just wanted to know what to wear. That's all.
I wanna go through that intersection.
But anyway, guys,
the amount of cars.
it's now actually starting
That
to
guy
hail.
never left his car. That's poor guy down there.
Wait.
Yeah, he's actually no joke waiting in his car. There was a girl that kept dropping things.
Sad.
There was a girl that kept dropping things. I really want to go out there and help her. And there was a guy, and he was cute too. And he was running with a bunch of stuff. I was like, I really
Cute. Quote unquote.
I want to help
Cute.
everybody out there. But sorry, I can't. Sadly.
Help everyone.
Look at the amount of wind.
That's definitely hail. You could see that's definitely hail.
But you're saying hail doesn't splash, it explodes.
Look at that car. It just went by. Like, look at that.
Oh my, dude, the intersection is flooding.
The intersection.
But past the intersection
I'm
too.
really glad that you guys are not in pool.
Me too.
What about the indoor pool?
I am glad you guys are not in pool.
Hey.
That could be really dangerous.
Picture's almost done.
Glass.
True. And the hail to break the glass.
Well, the lightning can go right.
Yeah. I want to
It's
get
gonna
you
go to
some.
the best conduit that it can get, which is water.
Yeah. Because the water, it would go right to the water.
Oh, he almost got covered in water. Dude. Look at the, okay, watch when I go across the intersection. They start getting flooded with water.
I would not be.
And they're still getting flooded with water.
There was so much mist.
Oh, look at the
Actually,
water.
people
Look at the amount of water.
That's how bad it was. You couldn't even see the pool next door.
All right.
That's crazy.
Like, that's how bad
Are you
it
getting a
was.
shower and rinsing off before you get dressed, or are you gonna get a shower later tonight?
Tonight,
later
it's like, in about a hour, I'm gonna go in the pool.
That's fine.
Dude, people's rims are literally like in the water.
Guys.
Dude, the roads are
But you
flooding.
see- Yeah, the roads are definitely flooded. Not bad, but they're definitely flooded.
They're flooding.
They're definitely flooded.
Oh.
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 God. Look at the window.
Oh no,
The
it's
window.
coming back.
It's coming. The mist is coming back.
Oh gosh.
I feel like that's hail. But it can't be because you could look at that.
But hail will explode on impact,
Yeah.
mostly.
Oh my god, did you see that car?
Oh my god, look at the cars!
What?
Dude, they're like, oh, it's
Yo!
it's like,
Wait a minute, I gotta make a call. Quiet.
look at the bus. That poor bus. People trying to get off that bus were just like, there's a
I'm
bus.
sorry. It was so much easier to call than try. I did try, and I thought this is crazy.
Guys, this
That
is-
much in there. It is Ken's username and sign on. I don't. If you get
I
on,
guess.
if you log on to my
Did you
computer
see
and
that
go to it, they're probably filling in itself. I don't remember what it
That
is.
literally looks like.
Email. But if you
Ours.
forward that,
This is bad.
access
There's
code and
literally
number,
somebody
it'll work.
stopping the cars because they don't know what
Yeah,
light it
yeah,
is.
it'll work because it's a whole series.
Once it
I
starts
have
misting
set up.
like
So
crazy
even
again,
if you
people are gonna
cancel
stop
this
like
week,
crazy.
Yeah.
it would
They're
still
in.
work,
Look at
it
the
would still
wings.
work
They're
every
in
other
the
week.
water.
You know what I mean?
Oh,
I will not.
That.
Anytime it's raining,
That
You
down
should
there.
be able to
Over.
use that same
run
call-in
to shelter
number and
because,
access
as
code.
you all know,
But
you
if
can
Oops,
get
on my
infected
thing.
with all this
You have
mist
to
and
use
rain,
Ken's
and I do
sign
not
on.
want to be in that life. I'm
My
so
computer
glad we're
and
not
do it.
driving. We're not gonna
should
drive
fill it in,
until
I don't.
dinner. But you know, dinner we're
Oh.
probably just gonna walk,
Right.
and I'm very sad about that. Or we might be driving
do,
across the street or walking across the street. That's it. We're not going
Yes,
out
Judith
far.
said this wouldn't work if it doesn't. She's an ass.
Oh my
Tell her. It should
So-
work, I promise.
as we see,
Well,
that
when I
fire
confess, I
hydrant
will, but I need to get correct.
is not the only thing getting peed on.
This is understandable. It's fine, but,
There's heat on.
you know,
God's peeing right now. It's actually God and
I know.
Mother Jesus.
But you know that.
There's.
Thank you. All right. Bye bye.
That's from us. That's from us.
Oh, thank goodness. There's.
I mean, jeez, bro. I don't know if there. I don't think there's really a mother
Guess what
Jesus.
there is right here.
Drips from us.
I thought it was dripped over here because, like, yo, you little brother didn't kind of lost me.
Hey, no singing copyright songs on YouTube until you get permission from the creator. Alright, oh yeah, Krabby Pig over there is for lease. R.I.P. Krabby Pig.
We might actually be going to Krabby Pig. We're not coming out.
Pig is closed.
Yeah.
Well, we're not going onto that road. We're driving across the
We
street.
might just go to that hammer
Oh.
place right in in our building,
Yeah,
kind of.
it is. I'm not going to drive out there. Like, that's not safe. Driving out there.
I mean, look, they're making waves. It's like we're
The
playing.
Jeep. Oh, imagine
Oh.
somebody with no doors on their Jeep is riding there.
Oh, you remember that guy with no doors today? That Jeep.
Or motorcycle.
Or a motorcycle.
Yeah, motorcycles, guys. Like the motorcycle guys. They're in this rain
I
right
think
now.
all of the Jeeps with no doors and no roof and motorcycles.
Convertibles, you can just put the convert thing back on.
Oh my god, look at that truck making so much waves. Literally.
Oh my god, that
Oh
car in
my
the back,
God.
the cars in the background, they're flying through. Look at it. Yeah, oh, so as you can tell, the roads are even making waves when cars go through. Let's even tell. It's, oh my
We
god!
could go tubing
Dude.
out here. We could go tubing out.
Dude!
Xfinity truck.
Oh my god, Xfinity. Okay. Seriously, once another person comes back, you can see this thing's like an ocean.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, watch. Okay, as you
slow, he's turning.
look at the water. Look at the water.
Yeah, but that's like them
Dude, the
going
water.
slow.
Dude, it's like waving.
That's them going slow. That could go even faster.
Yeah.
Y'all.
It's literally actually waving.
Y'all.
Yep.
I am so scared right now.
Oh, there we go. More people. More trucks. 2 trucks.
Yeah, but that's like them going slow.
Water slows you down.
No, that's them going slow. You know the people that drive by, like,
Yeah,
Right
they get
away.
slowed down.
watch.
If you watch. Look at that guy! Dude, did you see that guy? Sorry.
I'm about to cry right now.
Why?
And actually, but like,
Oh.
what? There actually might be like a really, really small hurricane. Like a really small.
Okay. And
This
the
is
ocean.
already flooding. This is already flooded.
This
Can I
is the
call
worst.
Mommy,
Not right now.
The worst I've seen it.
please?
It's the worst I've ever seen it.
You said I could call her after
And
we
you
go to
can.
the waterfall.
Alright, it seems to be calming down. If we look up the air, it's whiter.
I'm gonna go down and have a cigarette. Do you guys want to go?
No.
Wait,
Are you going outside?
Just right outside the door.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Let's
We're
go.
not gonna go out of shelter.
there we're gonna be. Dude, this is so insane.
Can you put some shoes on for me, please? Dante, you want to put some shoes on?
I don't know where my bag is.
wearing my wet shoes.
Your flip-flops are right there.
Oh, we can wear flip flops.
Yeah, I just need to put some shoes on your big flip-flops.
Okay.
Because we don't want to like.
Okay. There are my flip floppers. So, yeah. We're about to go outside slightly. And we're going to experience for ourselves how bad this is. Wanna race the elevator?
No.
No, we're not racing.
Alright.
Just make it long hallway. One thing if the hallway's empty.
Alright, as we are here.
Smells good.
Pork.
It smells really good.
Smells like pork.
It smells like popcorn.
No, pork.
You smell a little bit of popcorn too.
A little bit.
Oh, now I can smell popcorn.
It's empty. I smell ice cream.
You smell ice cream?
Yeah, I smell
I
mint
don't know
ice
that ice cream has a smell.
cream. About the fire now. Like, we cannot go outside.
Well, we have.
Well, we wouldn't be able to use the elevators. That's
True. 'Cause,
stairs.
like, if we get. Yeah, because we can go out, like, where the things are.
Fire extinguisher at 5:20 and 5:08, and there's a pole station at there.
Might be quicker for us to use the stairs.
Yeah, let's use the stairs.
It's coming in here.
I call pressing button.
And then Dante gets to push it on the way up.
No, he pushes this, I push this.
As long as you guys have it figured out that you're taking turns, that's fine. Brought my phone so we could take lots of pictures. Driving through all the order.
I told
Yeah, I
you
can't
it's
see
my
that.
camera.
Probably copyright.
Yeah, it was so
As
bad.
we are going down the elevator.
You heard him.
Thunder.
Yeah, I'm scared.
Don't put my hands up.
I'm not actually scared, but like.
You're telling your viewers you're scared.
What? I tell the truth to my viewers. And nobody even watches my video thing.
I know. I'm just
I could link it to my channel. I mean, I have 34 subs.
Okay, then link it to your.
All right. Looking outside already is just insane. Whew. All right, let's just.
staying right here, guys. Okay.
Wow.
Going this side over here.
Wow. Dang. Well. Oh.
I feel the mist coming. There's
Oh.
a mist.
Oh, you can feel
I'm
the
on the
mist.
other side.
Yeah, me too. Oh, it's so cold.
There's a mist on my phone, guys. No, right here.
Stay right there.
Okay.
We're only staying right here. There's a mist on. Do you see the dust? Oh my god, I can't believe Nancy's out there.
Okay, go up the mat.
I'm staying right there.
Bottom get over there too. Oof.
Over, like,
Cold.
oh my god. That's so bad, guys. So bad. I feel bad for anybody driving right now.
Well, with our 24-minute mark right on the hedge.
24. Nobody's coming here.
Nobody's oh, right here.
Hi. Oh, wait. Mirror right here.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. I'm gonna sit in the step. I don't know if that's really a good idea. I'm gonna sit in the step.
Let's just stay on the stairs.
Yeah.
Actually see us and like stuff. And we don't get anybody in our camera. Because we don't want to.
Oh, there she comes. Yep.
God, it's so bad out there.
I'm just cold.
Yeah, you press that. because I pressed it last time. Wait, no, you pressed it last time. And
All right.
I pressed 5. You pressed 5. I pressed close.
Yeah.
No, press 5. Next time I'll press 5.
Hi there, how are you?
All right.
Come join the fun.
Yep.
Go to 5.
Yeah, that's where I'm going 5.
Dun, 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 dun.
How long will it take all that water to go away out there?
What up, around?
Yeah.
Oh, well.
Will it?
Talk about the street flood.
Yeah.
What?
All depends.
So
They
bad.
have a drain there, but if it's all clogged up with trash, it'll take a while.
Especially
When we
for
looked out the
the.
window, it was like white. We couldn't even see the building next
Yeah.
door.
It was probably like that the other day when it come down.
Oh, I can reach
Oh,
it.
did it?
Yeah.
What?
Have a good night.
Yep. Coming in with some-
Oh, we're not ready. Okay, we're not ready. That's fun.
It's just when I start Naruto running.
You weren't racing, so.
Yeet.
Wrong door, Dante.
I know. I want to do it tomorrow. Can I do it next time?
Absolutely. Do it tonight when we come back. Just
Yeet.
remind me.
It's still flooding.
You can start to see the blue skies. They're gonna come back very soon.
That was Dante?
No, it was you. I heard you.
2.
I'm trying to get a picture of it out there.
Oh my god.
What's much better now? Go wait.
This is probably just gonna call raining. It's raining. It's pouring.
Oh! You realize down there where the rocks were last time we did a video?
Weird.
Oh my! Look at the trash. That's actually leaves. Look at all the leaves.
Right.
Look at all of those.
Bye, guys.
Anyway, guys, as we see, Dead Meme Boy 47 is here. Oh yeah, anyway, guys, Joji is out, and I'll see you guys next time. Yeet.